Welcome to the best picks. The best baby nail cutter is probably one of the most essential tools for new parents, but it can also be a source of anxiety. Those tiny, fast-growing nails can be surprisingly sharp, and the thought of accidentally hurting your little one is enough to make anyone nervous. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about choosing the perfect nail cutter for your baby. Number 5. Royal Angel's Baby Electric Nail File Kit, Blue. This kit comes with a comprehensive 21-piece set, including attachments for both babies and adults. You'll also receive extra replacement tools, offering great value and ensuring you're always prepared. Designed for safety, this nail trimmer allows you to quickly and safely trim and polish nails for the whole family. The speed control and touch and stop features prevent accidental cuts. The nail file operates with a whisper-quiet motor, so you can trim your baby's nails even while they sleep. The soft LED light illuminates the nail area for better visibility. With a single button, you can easily control the speed and rotation. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, providing strong power and extended use without the need for recharging. Royal Angel stands behind their products with an 18-month quality warranty. They are committed to providing premium materials and quality, and are ready to assist with any questions. What we like. This nail trimmer comes with a comprehensive 21-in-1 value set, offering a wide range of tools for both baby and adult nail care. If you're looking for a complete nail care solution with extra replacement tools, this is a great choice. The whisper quiet motor and LED light make it perfect for use even while your baby is sleeping. What people say. It is lightweight, small, and easy to use. It keeps the process safe as well. This set makes a huge difference, especially the electric file, which is very gentle and easy to use. Number 4. FANSIDI Baby Nail Trimmer. This electric nail file from FANSIDI safely and quickly trims and polishes tiny nails. It uses an electric grinding method, preventing damage to cuticles or soft nail beds. The package includes 10 cushioned grinding heads and 8 extra sandpapers. You won't need to buy replacements anytime soon. The trimmer has 6 cushioned sandpapers with different grit levels. It also features 4 working modes to enhance nail filing. This allows for softer and smoother nails. It operates quietly, under 60 dB, and includes a front LED light. This makes it perfect for use even when your baby is sleeping. The nail trimmer is built with high-graded ABS and designed for easy handling. Its ergonomic shape allows parents to hold it comfortably while using it. Enjoy peace of mind with a 45-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This electric nail file uses a safe grinding method, eliminating the risk of accidental cuts. It also features adjustable speed and rotation settings, allowing you to customize the experience. If you value safety and control, and want a tool that is gentle on your baby's nails, this is the one for you. What people say. It works so well, and I do not have to worry about hurting my baby. If you hit skin with it, it stops rotating so as not to cause any injuries. It has the option of rotating left or right at 2 different speeds. It also has a light on the end that shines on the nails so you can see your progress. My 5-month-old didn't fuss and we were able to do both his hands in less than 2 minutes versus taking way longer with the baby clippers. Didn't hurt his skin and it's super easy to use. The light helps us see his nails. It's lighter than a candy bar. The different attachments were very useful. The gentle design prevents any accidental cuts, and it's quiet enough not to startle the baby. I love how smooth and precise it is. No more sharp edges or scratchy nails. Number 3. Frida Baby NailFrida Baby Nail Clippers. This clipper has a patented safety spy hole. It allows you to see exactly what you're clipping, which eliminates the risk of cutting a child's sensitive skin. The overlapping blades allow for safe, smooth and silent snipping. The scissor-like blades cut nails smoothly with minimal effort. The S-shaped file is specially designed for small fingers. It follows the contour of the baby's nails for a smooth finish after clipping. You can safely use this nail clipper throughout your little one's journey. It is suitable for newborns to toddlers. The safety spy hole allows you to see exactly what you're clipping. This helps eliminate the risk of cutting a child's sensitive nail beds. What we like. The Frida Baby Nail Clipper features a unique safety spy hole, allowing you to see exactly what you're clipping. The curved clippers are designed for safe and smooth snipping. If you prioritize safety and precision, especially when dealing with tiny nails, you should consider this. What people say. They even come with a nail file and buffer if you need a little extra after trimming your baby's nails. Super easy to use and safe. This is the best baby nail clippers ever. It is so sharp. Like cutting through butter. The front is also flat, so it makes it super early to get the nail between the clipper blades. Number 2. Frida Baby NailFrida the SnipperClipper. This is the perfect solution for trimming your baby's nails. It's designed with safety in mind, making the process easy and stress-free for both of you. The patented safety spy hole is the key. It allows you to see exactly where you're clipping, preventing any accidental cuts to your little one's delicate skin. The curved blades are designed for a smooth, silent cut. These overlapping blades cut the nail cleanly with minimal effort, making it a gentle experience. From newborns to toddlers, this clipper is suitable for all ages. You can confidently use it throughout your child's early years. With this product, nail care becomes a breeze. It's designed to be safe, efficient, and gentle, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This nail clipper features a patented safety spy hole, ensuring you can see exactly where you are clipping. The curved blades provide a smooth and silent cut. If you want a simple, safe, and effective nail clipper for your baby, this is a great option. What people say. They even come with a nail file and buffer if you need a little extra after trimming your baby's nails. Super easy to use and safe. This is the best baby nail clippers ever. It is so sharp. Like cutting through butter. The front is also flat, so it makes it super early to get the nail between the clipper blades. Number 1. Baby Nail Trimmer Electric 6-in-1 Kit, Blue. This nail trimmer offers multiple speeds and rotation patterns. You can easily find the perfect setting for trimming nails neatly. It's designed to make the process convenient for you. The nail clipper is incredibly lightweight and sleek. This makes it easy to carry in a purse or bag. You can take it with you when you're traveling or simply out and about. It features a whisper-quiet motor, so you can trim nails while the baby sleeps. This ensures there's no disturbance during the process. It's designed for peaceful nail care. This nail file includes cushioned sandpapers for babies and children. It also comes with attachments suitable for adult use. It's a comprehensive kit for the whole family. The nail trimmer is gentle on delicate nail beds and cuticles. It allows you to swiftly trim and polish those tiny toenails and fingernails. It's designed with safety in mind. What we like. This nail trimmer offers versatile settings, allowing you to adjust the speed and rotation. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a portable and customizable nail care solution, this is a great choice. What people say. It's also great at buffing the little skin peels on his fingers. That's how gentle it is. Though gentle, it still manages to quickly and effortlessly grind down the nail nearly perfect every time. It's very quiet and gentle, so I'm able to take care of my baby's nails while he's sleeping. Works really well, easy to hold in one hand and switch between the pink head and the polishing buffing head as needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.